Hello everyone. In this video I will be talk about normal. What are normals? In Blender, normals telling us which way is face facing. Let's add plate. Every face have forward and backward side. I will rotate this plate. Can you now tell me which side is forward and which side is backward? No. One way to find out orientation of face is turning on face orientation. If I click up here on overlays, I can turn on face orientation over here. Blue color is forward side and red color is backward side. Now if I go to edit mode and click again on overlays, we have more option here, and down here you can turn on normals. We have three options and size. I will turn on face normals and increase size of normal. This blue straight 90 degrees line from middle face is our normal. And thanks to this line, we can see which way is face facing. Thanks for watching and see my next short tutorials.